We are in Fort Collins, Colorado, on the campus of Colorado State University. Audacy is a truly wireless lighting control platform that allows you to put the right amount of light in the right place at the right time. We designed the Audacy system to be as flexible as possible, so higher education institutions have the ability to customize the system to suit their needs. Colorado State took advantage of that in lots of different applications.
The relationship with Audacy and Colorado State started in 2016 with a pilot project in their engineering building on campus. They had retrofitted LED lighting within their room, and they needed to create a way to control the lights from a retrofit standpoint.
A professor or an instructor can really customize the lighting in the room to suit their teaching style and to really bring focus to areas of the classroom where they really want to draw some attention.
After we had installed the system, the professor had mentioned, I'd really like to be able to dim this front row of lights at a different level, and we were able to do that simply adding another control module of the system after we had already commissioned it. Next, we installed at Morgan Library. We had a space that was not being used very often that we needed to add lighting control to. Then we installed at Colorado State Book Storage Facility. The book storage facility presented challenges due to ceiling height constraints, different partitioning in the walls that created different spaces for the room that we had to accommodate for. So we created wireless occupancy sensors throughout the space, along with keypads at the entrance and exit of the building.
It's awesome. People don't even notice it. They don't even notice that the lights are going off, turning on. It's seamless.
The next facility was the RDEC facility, which implemented occupancy sensors, daylight harvesting sensors, as well as wall switches. And then finally we installed at Centennial Hall.
We have standard luminaire controllers and switches and occupancy sensors, and we also have some light sensors that will help provide daylight harvesting to that area.
My responsibility was to get the gateway up and running so that we could talk to the building remotely. The remote switch is awesome. I look at my problems even before I come out. So we had a problem with the relay I saw before I even got here, so I'm already formulating a plan of what I need to do to fix it.
The beauty behind the Audacy system is the simplicity of the programming, of the products. People really catch on to it quickly. In conjunction with the use of the mobile app really lends itself to ease of use for our customers and end users.
I have 10 systems on campus. Your ease of programming, easy, my installers understand it. So that's huge.
Colorado State is noticing significant energy savings through the use of occupancy sensing, daylight harvesting, high-end trim, and dimming.
Our engineers have looked at the meter readings and they've said, yes, we have seen the savings.
With the focus of universities and other higher education facilities on sustainability and being good stewards for the environment, Audacy, with the energy savings that it provides, really helps fulfill that mission.
The Audacy system rates very high. I'd like to replace some of our systems with Audacy systems. Audacy is easy to use. You don't even realize it's working. It's just there.